The purpose why we are organizing this conference is because we felt that there is a big gap in the understanding and the knowledge which is available in the market on digital, especially for mid-sized businesses.
We have a lot of doers who are coming and as speakers. They will be able to give you not only the overview and insights, but also the actionable things that you should do.
It is very, very important to know exactly how to do them, how to practice them, what are the best practices in implementing them. Because at the end of the day, when you start implementing those strategies, if those strategies do not get you the desired results, then you lose faith in it.
We are working in Indian market for now over 15-20 years. We have seen that even today in digital, there are fundamental things that are not fixed.
So our whole idea at Digital Success Summit is to bring together practitioners as speakers from around the country who have been there, who have done that, and who have expert understanding in their respective subjects, and of which covers a wide variety of subjects in digital, starting from domain names to hosting to development to website optimization to search engines to digital marketing to conversion rate optimization to how to build the right campaigns, how to run the right ad campaigns, where to advertise, how to measure success, and so on and so forth.
We also have digital success clinics and digital marketing clinics which are going to happen side by side. During that event, there will be some people who will be visible to you or who will be available to you, where you can meet them to understand your problems or to talk to them one-on-one. And even pre-event and post-event, we will be available, and there will be some speakers available, there will be some experts available who can help you understand your problem, your personal problems related to digital marketing.
The event is extremely special for us because our objective has always been to deliver value, and this event has been structured in a way that your entire day gets massive amount of value.
So we welcome all of you for Digital Success Summit, which is on 10th of August. This is going to happen in Hyatt in Calcutta. So please be there, and the tickets are open. You can actually visit the link which is mentioned at the bottom of the video. And also any queries that you have, please shoot us an email. We'll be able to help you understand whether this event is for you or not. Thank you so much.